In this quick workout, we'll be linking moves, building up to a fundamental Pilates exercise, the 100. I'm Tucker, a certified Pilates instructor. Welcome to McCrazy Fit. We'll start sitting down, knees at about 90 degrees, feet, knees, both hip width apart, and roll on down. Natural curve in the lower back, shoulders down away from the ears, head gently resting on the mat, nose pointed up to the ceiling. Inhale and exhale to flex that lower abdomen, the transversus abdominis. And inhale. This time on the exhale, raise one leg in a tabletop. And down. And other leg in a tabletop. And down, breathing at a comfortable pace. But one way would be to exhale coming up, exhale on the exertion, inhale back down. Keeping the structure in the leg, structure in the knee. Shoulders aren't creeping up to the ears, head still gently resting on the mat, and this is level 1 of the neutral series. Building up to the 100 exercise. And now on the next one, go ahead and keep that leg up, other leg up to meet it. And move into toe taps, gently tapping one toe at a time. Belly still tight, still breathing at a comfortable pace. You could put one hand on the belly from time to time to make sure it's not doming up to the ceiling. Keeping those abs engaged. Keeping the natural curve in the spine. This exercise is all about hip stability, spine stability. And let's go one more on each side. And bring them down. Inhale, exhale, make sure those core muscles are engaged, the transverse abdominis. And exhale to lift both legs up. And we'll send one out straight and back. And exhale out straight and back. And we'll progress to some harder movements here with the legs going out straight. One thing to keep in mind is that the lower the foot is, the harder it's going to be. So higher foot, a little easier of an exercise. The foot's coming out here, a little harder. So a way to progress throughout the Pilates lifetime. And also I'm keeping in mind that I don't want to extend the lower back to keep the leg up. So throughout all these, staying in neutral spine and not extending the lower back to leverage the foot up. Let's go one more. And bring both knees in. This time let the lower back sink in the mat. Imprinted spine stretch. Just take a little tension off that lower back and the hips. As we move into the 100, 100 really brings in the abs, the obliques, and those hip flexor muscles. Now we're going to take this up a level. Exhale, both legs up, belly still tight. Inhale and exhale, both legs out straight. Inhale back in. Exhale, both legs straight. And in. And again, going at a height where I'm not overextending the lower back to leverage the feet up. Inhale in, palms gently resting down on the mat. Feeling a little bit of energy coming out of the back of the armpit, the lat muscles, keeping those shoulders from creeping up towards the ears. 2 more. Last one, exhale. Inhale back in and feet down. Great, and we'll move to the upper body into an ab prep. So we're exhaling, pulling the abdominal wall in, tightening those lower abs and curling up, raising the head and upper trunk off the mat, and inhale back down. And again, palms down on the mat, exhale, keeping this angle in my chin as I come up. I could even put a pointer finger on the chin, thumb on the chest, and make sure that I'm staying at the same angle, coming up and down. Not bringing the chin in, not letting it drag behind. And exhale up, feeling a little bit of energy coming out of the back of the armpits, the lats, keeping those shoulders from creeping up. So I don't have to press the shoulders down, but I'm getting a little bit of tension in the back to keep them from sliding up to the ears. 2 more. Exhale up and down. Last one. Great, and we'll gently let the head fall from one side to the other to release any tension in the neck. A lot of times people beginning Pilates feel a lot of pressure in the neck trying to hold it up when we begin these spinal flexion exercises. All right, moving along. Inhale, exhale, ab prep. This time, exhale both legs up into tabletop, bringing those arms up, and now I'm padding. So going about 6 to 8 inches. And the breathing pattern will be an active breathing pattern. We're going 5 breaths, 5 pats for breath in, 5 pats for breath down. So you out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, in, 2, 3, 4, 5, out, 2, 3, 4, 5, in, 2, 3, 4, 5. Keeping that belly tight, pulling the abdominal wall in towards the spine. Same angle, chin to chest. Let's go one more round. Up, in, 2, 3, 4, 5, out, 2, 3, 4, 5. Head comes down, legs come down. And again, we'll let the head fall side to side. And this time we'll move right into that 100. The culmination. So we're combining that movement we just did with the legs out straight. Inhale, belly's tight. Exhale, up into ab prep. Inhale, exhale, both legs up into tabletop. And the final inhale, exhale, legs out. Arms about 6 inches above the thighs. And pumping. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In, 2, 3, 4, 5. Breathe out. 2, 3, 4, 5. In, 2, 3, 4, 5. Toes pointed. 2, 3, 4, 5. Bringing the abdomen into the belly. 3, 4, 5. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5. Chin the same angle. 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. One more round. 2, 3, 4, 5. Out. 2, 3, 4, 5. And down. Excuse me, Bonnie. Let me come up. Oh. Well, I hope you enjoyed that guide to the 100. I'll link my playlist of other movement guides. And I'll see you at the next workout.